Good morning, good morning. Another day in these Florida streets. I love my diamond gloss. And we are headed out. Outfits of the day. So we're gonna try the latte. AJ, I forgot what you got. That's good. You're gonna like that. That's really fresh, that ginger. This is good. It may need another shot of vanilla. You like that? You want to try? Okay, Joey and the Juice. It is taco and tequila night. I just had a shot. I don't know, and it's in my stomach. I'm toe up. Whew. I think this is enough shells. We have some carnitas and some shrimp and some chicken. Ooh, why you tell me to bring the camera over there?
Oh, my bad.
Before you're supposed to put the tequila. Before he put the tequila in there. Yes. And we just had a shot. Oh, my stomach.
Look at all that.
This my.
It's on.
Oh damn! You already know what's
Forty. I look
She look like her. It's okay.
Y'all ready? Michaela like yes.
All right, y'all. Bye.
Did I put a spoon for the rice?
Yeah, ready?
No, because I was trying to keep it hot so that it can finish cooking. Hello, hello. I know it's been a minute. I was such in family mode, I can't even say I was super busy. It just wasn't nothing much for me to record. I'm back home in California. I've been back home for a day to start my car, and my tire pressure light is on. I'm like, what the hell? I feel like I just got new tires during the summer. Like, I felt like, so I don't know what's up with that. Why are you guys shaking? Thank God this spot by my house was open. Good morning. My tire pressure light is on.
Okay.
And I don't know. I have a feeling it feels like it's this one.
Okay. I can put air in it today. We're booked up today. I can't repair it or anything.
Okay.
You want just some air?
Yeah, that's great. I've gotten tires here before too. And I need for them to check because I feel like I need to give him my number to see if this is the tire that they just changed. At least I still can go to Target and do what I gotta do. My daughter wants some sparkling juice or whatever it's called. And it's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's the car behind me. I don't know.
How can I help you today?
Hi, can I have a medium pumpkin spice cold brew?
What was a medium? What was the cold again, sir?
Pumpkin spice cold brew. Can I have that with no vanilla?
Sorry, that pumpkin spice got discontinued.
So you don't. Shoot. Give me a second. Can I have a cold brew? Can you put chestnut, 1 cup of chestnut praline in there? And then can I have a vanilla sweet cream cold foam?
So cold brew, 1 chestnut praline, and you want to do sweet cream cold foam on that?
Yeah.
Now what's that, sorry, grande?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, that's going to be $5.70.
Okay, thank you. It's time to go on the app and find who has the pumpkin spice until it's sold out. I'm distraught. Pumpkin spice season can't be over. I feel like it just started, y'all. I'm so hurt. But I got a gift card for Christmas. I'm about to use. But I'm about to go on the app and see who has pumpkin spice until it's sold out. That's how I normally do it. We gonna see what I get, what I ordered, if it's good. Which it should be, because I normally I like the chestnut praline. You too, thank you. The car behind me is a little bug, a 1960s type bug, y'all. That's loud as I don't know what. So if you want to know what I ordered, because I don't like all that milk and stuff in my drinks. I don't want to be having to choose oat milk, almond milk, 2% milk. This is just a cold brew. And I got 1 pump of chestnut praline. And then I got a vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Instead of pumpkin, you can just do it. And that's it. And that, you see it starting to like move, and the foam will shake down and blend. And that's all you need. Let's head to Target. I wish my husband didn't have sensitive skin. This Dove for Men Plus Care, this line smells so good. This is so cute. They don't have any backpack purses, because Aubrey needs a new backpack purse. but I don't see any. These are too tiny. That's too tiny, but that's cute. Those are not cute at all. This is where we're coming to pick up our New Year's meal. Hold it open for me. Okay. Hi. Pick up for Deanna?
Yeah, ready for you.
Yes. Oh, that was quick.
Yeah.
One of our favorite spots, huh?
Yup. Wasn't that nice, Mom? Now we're
Daddy
done.
talking about we should have got more food. Heck no.
No.
$100 worth of food.
Yup.
Get in.
And we got.
That's the blackened or garlic pepper fish. Somebody couldn't wait. Pad Thai, orange chicken.
I'm waiting for it.
Me?
Like
Oh,
food.
I don't know. Oh yeah, I did
Yeah,
a
you did a TikTok of that.
YouTube short on that.
That was
Hello everybody, and welcome back.
Welcome.
Happy New Year. I know it's been a minute. We are now back at home in Cali. Today is Wednesday. I think today is the 2nd. So happy New Year's to you guys and welcome back. If you guys do not know me, my name is Deanna Jackson. This is my channel, Love and Light over here, all things positive. We're on an amazing journey over here. It's a new year. Oh, she wants me.
Introduce me.
And who are you?
I'm Aubrey Jackson.
Aubrey Jackson. Sometimes you will always get me.
Yes,
Sometimes
but
you will
you
get
get
her.
her.
Sometimes you'll get my husband, and sometimes you will
get
get the whole family.
So this
but-
is kind of like a family channel, a person's channel, her own channel.
You're just gonna take over like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take over like that.
Anyways, let's tell them what we're doing today. Today is Mommy-Daughter Day. Of course, the holidays have just passed. I am still off work, enjoying my vacay. I don't know if I'm gonna make today my last day and go back to work tomorrow or take one more day. Still haven't made that decision yet. My birthday is next week.
Happy
so I have a lot of
birthday!
stuff that I want to do for that. But today is Mommy and Daughter Day. So I'm gonna stop, fill the car up with gas, and then we're gonna go
Spend all of our gift cards.
gonna go to Starbucks because we have Starbucks gift cards. She has some shopping gift cards for like Kohl's and
Bath and Body Works.
Bath and Body. So we're gonna stroll through. I'm trying to teach her not to spend it just because you have it and you don't need it, because she got Bath and Body at home. But we're just gonna spend the day together. I have some stuff I want to get from Sephora. And I kind of want to slide through Zara because I went to Zara and got 1 or 2 items while I was in Miami, but I really couldn't dive deep the way I wanted to dive deep. So the sale is still going on. So I kind of want to tiptoe and see what they have going on. So yeah, y'all rock with us today. I am back. I believe if I don't make this a separate video, then I know I have some other stuff that I may combine and make it all one. When I kind of went out with my husband in Miami, but yeah,
There's also gonna be a video with me opening all my collection that I got.
They don't care about that.
Of my Pokemon collection.
They don't care about that.
Well, there's some kids that watch
Anyways,
your
let
channel.
me fill up this gas tank because we don't eat. And we'll see y'all in 2 and 2.
Bye.
First stop, Starbucks. Can y'all?
I'm gonna get a burrito. So I'm gonna get it.
Lord. Y'all, tell me why she wanted to do our order separate, because I have my own gift card and she has her own gift card. And so the balance she has left on her gift card are angel numbers. I think it's like 555 or something. So the girl told her she's gonna have a great day. She was like, oh, can you make me and my mom's order separate? I was like, I got a gift card on mine, don't trip. So we're waiting for our drinks. Aubrey ordered a lot of stuff that I normally wouldn't allow her to order, but she has like a $20 gift card, and I think she has another gift card for Starbucks too. So waiting for my drink. Today I just got a cold brew with a caramel brulee cold foam and a grilled cheese sandwich, because I haven't eaten anything today and it's almost 1. So see Miss Thang open.
I like this one.
The Aspen one?
Yeah.
What about the jeans? These jeans
I'm
are
not
cute.
a big girl. Not a big fan of green pants.
Oh, of green pants.
No.
Yeah, I was gonna say those are too big. Anyway, you need like a 20. I don't know.
There's 27.
That's too big. Way too big for you. I like the graphic tees.
Mommy, if I see somebody.
I'm always in need of a hat. Oh, they have white.
You don't have a white hat?
No. And I like this color too, but what does it say on here? Going through a phase.
No, you're not. You're not getting that hat that says going through a phase. You're not going through no phase. Look at this purse.
You think that's cute?
Yes, it's strawberries. And it's a pop-it, y'all. A pop-it. It's too small, though.
Yeah, not for all the stuff you be trying to carry.
Look up to my store. See this? See this, Mama?
I don't like that.
It's Pokemon.
Y'all, Aubrey be trying to pull me out of Sephora like mom.
You gotta go.
Gotta go. Not today. That's But she stood in line for me, and it's not crowded, thank God. Today is a pretty light day. Nope.
Please, I wish I got a gift card.
That's her favorite store. I'm headed to Zara.
No, but Elf.
Oh, Aubrey, that's so cute.
I'm an elf worker. This is how I sit in class.
Bye, girl. I want some.
Mama.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, good job. You almost done. Aubrey likes this process better,
It's so easier, guys.
but I want to make sure she thinks this process. She likes the fact that, oh, I could have showed you guys that when you drop the stuff in there, it comes up on the screen. Let me.
And then when you hear that little noise, try to take the pen away too. But it has to be while that noise is going on. Almost there. Let's do it again.
I did
Oh,
it.
there you go.
Let me see what you got.
I got.
So I told her she can use my free item for this one because I have on my app a free item for $16, up to $16. This little brat Everything else was 75% off or $4.95. So have you guys ever done your crab boil that based? Of course, that's based with, this is like 4 sticks of butter because I'm doing 2 bags. That's chicken bouillon. It's ginger in there. Of course, a lot of onions, a lot of garlic. And then the reason why it's so juicy right now is because, I don't know if you can see there, is because I coated the bottom of the pan with some chicken stock. So this is the base of it, and then you start seasoning it up. Of course, I'm gonna season it with my Seafood Spectacular. And then you put your onion powder in there. Start off with a little because you don't want your base too salty. And then we have garlic powder. And then we have Tony's Creole seasoning. And then we have Obey, of course. And then you could add a little bit once it melts down. And you want to do this on low. This is why that's why the butter still looks like that. It's because it's on low. I have my bag over here. I'll turn them off because they're going to cook some more when I put them in the oven. I've already, let me see if I can show you. I've already started making the bags. So it's about 15 shrimp in each bag. It's 2 lobster tails in the bag. The sausage is down there. I'm going to add the corn. We're making our plates. Greedy McGreedy. Look at hers. So we did 2 bags. So they have a lot of stuff in them. Of course, your eggs, your onions, potatoes, and shrimp, and sausage, and it's going down. So